Go.
You are
a booger. Just a booger.
He is.
He?
Blue light.
Look, he wears tampon.
Well, you're the blue light packet
Look,
special.
he's with the blondie girlfriend.
Rambo!
Rainbow.
I said Rambo. Rambo. R-A-M-B-O-W. Where's the B-O? This is B-O. Okay. R-A-M-B-O.
What?
Sorry.
Your phone in your meat pocket.
G-R-A-W-E-R.
Good job!
Figure out how to spell that. That's okay. Someone in my dorm doesn't know how to spell bag.
Right.
I'm not even kidding. Like, it's Russell's roommate, and he's like, he was typing something, he makes leather bags, like Indian leather bag things. He's like, and he's gonna try and sell them. He's typing it, and Russell says that, he turned around and looked at him, and asked, Russell? He's like, yeah. He's like, how do you spell bag? He's like,
Let's get
Russell's like,
Let me
are you
record.
serious? He's like,